I did absolutely nothing of any value today whatsoever. Last night we had edibles, and I always enjoy kicking back with my family and having a couple edibles, but the next day is usually just me trying to shake it off. But nothing of value happened today. Uh, Emailed my landlord, and I spoke to my mother-in-law briefly. Other than that, nothing. Watched wrestling, had dinner, played my game. Nothing productive. Nothing that propels me forward. And I don't know how I feel about that. Like, I feel like I should be doing more. And I will. I just have to snap out of Asia. Applied for a decent job. And over the weekend, Kari and I went out and we handled some business. But other than that, it's just been kind of just me just hanging back. I feel like I needed this past weekend. It was like hitting the reset button. I have been so clogged up with concern and doubt and, letting things get to me. But this weekend, it was just like, just hanging back, just chilling. And I needed that. So now I can move forward knowing that everything's in order. Or at least I can try. Regardless to where my choices lead me, I will accept it. But last weekend was the reset button for me.